Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop, so let's generate the further shapes and designs as well. There, create these designs, shapes. These are the flowers we can generate. So the pattern for each shape will be different from the other, so that we can differentiate that one from the others. So let's generate again. There will have some similarity into it. So let's generate the other designs. That's